Hey guys, this is Tom from BuyMeAnIPhone.com, and we're back with a review of an item that's a little bit different. We are going to review the ProClip, and it is the professional quality in-vehicle device mounting solution. Okay, it's very vehicle specific. It's customized for each vehicle. It's a two-part system. It is not iPhone exclusive, but I got it for mounting my iPhone in my car. So we're going to kind of show you a little bit about this, and we're going to show you the installation in two vehicles and really kind of give you an all-around view of it. Okay, ProClip, again, easy access to your device. It clips on in seconds. There's no expensive installation. You don't have to take apart your dashboard. You don't really you don't damage your interior. It's a really neat design, and it's really solid. I've had these ProClips before. I used to have a Buick Rendezvous. Now I'm driving a Honda Accord, and I kind of want to show you a little bit about it. Now guys, this is a two-part system. Okay, so what you'll do is when you go to ProClipUSA.com, you're going to select your vehicle. Okay, and you're going to order a vehicle dash mount, or whatever type of mount you're going to have. Okay, and then you're going to order a device holder. Okay, so whatever device that you have. In my case, it's going to be an iPhone. But if you have a BlackBerry, a Samsung, a Nokia, whatever it may be, you can order all sorts of different device holders. Okay, so we're going to start off with the mount for the Honda Odyssey, and then we're going to go over to the Honda Accord, and we're going to kind of show you guys a little bit about it. Okay, so for example, okay, this is the dash mount for the Honda Odyssey, and there's a couple different mounts that you can use for the Odyssey. Now, I have a 2006 Honda Odyssey. This mount, okay, is good for the Honda Odyssey 2005 through 2009. And there's a couple different places that you can mount it. This is going to be on the right center air conditioning vent. Okay, so that's going to be there. So you'll see, and we'll go through the installation. I'm just going to kind of show you the different parts of this right now, guys, and then we'll go and we'll install them in both cars. So that's the Honda Odyssey mount. So that's the one I'm going to use in the Odyssey. Okay. And here it comes with the instructions. So as you can see, okay, from the photo here, this is where it's going to be mounted on the dash. Okay. And it gives you all the instructions that we'll go through later. Now, I'm also going to install one of these in my 2006 Honda Accord. So here is the dash mount for the Honda Accord 2003 through 2007 model. Okay, so this one, okay, is in a couple of pieces, and that's going to mount in on the dash there. And let me show you how this is going to mount. Okay, this one, let me get it here. This one is going to mount right here on the dashboard, and we're going to show you how that works too. Okay, but we're going to kind of get this together as much as we can before moving the camera out into the car. Okay, so this comes in two pieces. Okay, and what you do is you'll wedge this in between the center console and the padded dash. Okay, and then we're going to screw these together, okay, when it comes time for the install. Okay. But until then, we'll put that one aside. Okay. Now you may be saying, Tom, well, this sounds really confusing. Well, not really. Now we're doing two cars, so I'm showing you two vehicles. Okay. But it's really a simple process, guys. It won't take you but 10 minutes at most to install these. Okay, and they give you a couple gap openers, to put in between the dash so you can open up the gaps a little bit. Okay, we'll show you those. They give you a ton of those. Now we'll move on to our actual device holder. Okay, this is the holder with tilt swivel, and it's an adjustable holder. It fits devices with skins. It fits the Apple iPhone 1st Gen, the Apple iPhone 2nd Gen, which is the 3G, and the Apple iPod Touch. So pretty much any Apple product that you're going to be using in your car. Okay, so we will open this one up. Okay, put all those gap openers over there. Okay, so it comes with some screws here. And excuse me guys, I'm just kind of trying to organize this just a tad so we remember what came out of what and what parts go with what. And we'll put this one in here. Okay guys, so you will see that this is an adjustable clip, okay, with a swivel mount on the back. Okay, so you can swivel it back and forth. Okay. Landscape and portrait. Okay. And you'll see that I have my iPhone 3G with my in-case slider on it. Okay, and I've adjusted it so it fits right in there with my in-case slider. Okay, and you can adjust this with any case, guys. Okay, now how you adjust it, there's these 4 knobs right here on the back, and you loosen them up, or you can loosen up the screws. Okay, and both of these slide back and forth. So this one slides back and forth, and this one slides back and forth the same way, so you can make it any width. Okay, up until that point. So I think it goes up to 3 inches. Okay. But I'm not going to adjust this one because I know that I've got that one adjusted for my in-case slider. Okay, so I'm going to put my in-case slider back in there. I'm going to squeeze this together. I'm going to get it nice and snug in there. Okay, so I know that it's going to be nice and snug in the car. Okay, and when I've got it nice and snug, I'm going to turn this over. I'm going to turn these knobs, tighten those screws up. Okay, and I've got those. Now, guys, if you're going to be using this in one car and one car only, the next step would be to mount this device holder to your dash mount. So, for example, let me just tighten this up. So, if you've got a Honda Odyssey, okay, you would take this and with the screws provided, attach it there, okay, and then put it installed in the car, or actually you want to install it in the car first, okay, and then install this on it like that. Okay, so pretty neat system. Now if you're with the Honda Accord, okay, this gets installed like this, and then you would install that with the hardware provided just like that. Okay, now you may be saying, well, Tom, you only have one holder and you have 2 mounts for 2 cars. So how is that going to work? Well, the next piece of this puzzle, guys, okay, and we're going to put this back here. This is the holder. Put those screws back there. The next piece of the puzzle is what's called a move clip. Okay, so this is a mounting accessory. It's a move clip. Small holes, small with holes, 2 females and 1 male. So, what you do, okay, is you've got 2 females. So this is the female and this is the male. Okay, and you'll see how they slide together. So what we're going to end up doing is we're going to mount one of these. Okay, it's got double-sided tape. I don't use the double-sided tape. What I do is we're going to screw it together, and we're going to screw it there. Okay, and then the female will go here. Okay, and then another female will go on the one for the Honda Accord. So what I'll have is I'll have 2 of these. I'll have one mount like this for the Odyssey, one mount like this for the Accord. And what we'll do is we'll be able to have this on the back of this mount here. Okay. And you'll be able to slide it and move it from car to car. So we'll kind of show you a little bit about that.